Do you remember what the pitch was?
I'm a graduate student, I meaning Aaron, and I'm trying to learn Yiddish. I'm doing my master's and I don't have books. I can't get the books to learn what I need to learn. And now I'm finding out that the books are spread all over the place and that the people who have the books are not going to be with us forever. It was to save the books, and it was, you know, here's an emergency that students want to learn Yiddish and they do not have the books in which, you know, the paper books in which to learn. That was it. That was really it. And, you know, all of the subsequent things about spreading the education, opening up the books, that came much later. I think for a considerable period of time, it was, let's save the books before it's too late. And how do we do this? And how do we collect them, you know, and all of that.